facing the garden. Sorry, the most basic one. Okay, so welcome. So for the shower, I'm very tired, I think. Okay. Welcome to Harry's Barelang Resort. So this is the room that we got. This is the garden view room, the most basic room type. We didn't get the sea view one because we had to top up $30 per room, and we're gonna stay for one night, so we just like make do with it lah, it's fine. We're gonna check out tomorrow morning at 11:30 because we need to catch the free shuttle bus, and we have to be at the lobby at 11:45 and it leaves at 12 p.m. So upon entering, on your left is actually the cupboard. So the simple ones, you got a safe here and then a little drawer, and then the other side is where you put your clothes. So there are some hangers here, and I think there's supposed to be like 2 ropes, but they only gave 1. So if you really need extra, then you can request for another one. Okay, so you have like a full-length mirror here lah. So if you need to use the full-length mirror, then you can use it. There's a little fridge at the side. And then at the bottom you have bedroom slippers. And then to your right is actually the bathroom. So the bathroom coming is quite spacious lah. So you have like a toilet bowl at the side, and then there's like the towels here. We might have to request for new ones as it's quite dirty. This side, at the side you have the shower area. There's no rain shower, there's just the normal shower head. And then they provide simple amenities. So there's the shower gel and a shampoo and conditioner. So it's like 2 in 1. So for the room here, right, the hair dryer is actually attached in the toilet, so you can't bring it out and then dry your hair on your bed. They actually provide this interesting thing. So yeah, for this, right, so there's 2 sets of toothbrush, and then cotton bud. There's no cotton pad, and there's a little shower cap. Yeah, so this is it. There's actually the sofa, but already open and used it because our hands are very dirty. And then there's tissue. Yep, that's about it for the toilet. Let's move out. Okay, so in the bedroom, you might see how come the sheets are a bit like crumpled. It's because this is actually the twin room, but they combine 2 beds for us together, because they mentioned that if we're gonna get the king bed or the queen bed room, right, with sea view, even though we're gonna top up $30, which we wanted to, but it was super far away, and then to get to the restaurants, right, we have to walk super far. And I actually got like a picture of the map, so I will include it later. And then yeah, so we chose this room because we wanted to be nearer to the restaurants lah, because tomorrow they have breakfast and it starts at 6:30 and it ends at 10:30. So yeah. And then this side should be like your vanity area lah, where you do your makeup and charge your stuff here. So there's like a medium-sized mirror here, and this is where they have their bottled water, their cups, and then some complimentary tea and coffee. Yeah, and then this is the kettle. And all the rooms here are non-smoking rooms. So if you want to smoke, right, you gotta smoke outside, okay? So in front of the bed is a TV. I think they might be able to do like Chromecast. This is what I recalled previously. So we're gonna see if we can connect it later. Yeah, so at the bedside, there will be some switches and a charging port on each side. Here's the one. And then they have a chair here for you to sit and watch TV when you are dirty and you don't want to sit on the bed, and then you can sit here and chill first. And then outside is the balcony where you will be facing the trees. Okay?
Oh, I think there's a gap.
Oh,
it's not entirely sealed. Oh, can go.
Oops! It's my cholo moment. If you're gonna take the garden view, right, please close the doors, because garden, trees, equals to mosquitoes. And because we're at the 2nd floor, right, I'm actually a bit awkward because people can just look up and and look at me. Yeah, so they can actually see me doing whatever I'm doing now. And they mentioned level 2 is quite okay because it's not super noisy, but level 1 they mentioned if you're gonna stay at level 1 it'll be very noisy lah. I'm not sure how true is it lah. Huh. Koi here in Batam is very cheap. How much was it again?
4 cups for $11.
4 cups for 11 Sing dollar leh. Yo, 1 cup. Okay lah, but actually their cup is small, I got realize now.
Yeah.
Very cute. It has been a long day. It's actually only around 3 o'clock only, right?
4 plus already.
4 plus really. Oh shit. Oh yeah, but I feel like the whole day I already like 25 hours never sleep really. There's only 24 hours, but I feel like 25 hours never sleep really. I'm damn tired. And then damn sad. I'm not sure whether you can see, but I actually paper cut myself just now, right? So I was damn kanchong before, we bought the ferry. And I just put my hand inside the bag. Wow, my goodness, the vaccination cert, the paper just... And immediately the blood came out. Like immediately, instantly. So it was like such a bummer because it was at the start of the trip only. I think I should just stay in bed, huh? Yeah. And weather was quite humid and hot. I feel like very smelly already. I'm so sorry, but I don't think I want to explore like the balcony area today. Probably when we are gonna check out tomorrow, then we can open and then invite all the mosquitoes in before we check out lah. That's when we're not gonna use anymore. So anyway, right after this, we're probably gonna gather and we're gonna see if my mom's room, whether the aircon problem has been fixed or not. And then we gather and then we decide whether we're gonna go massage and then we have dinner lah. So see you later. Okay, it's last day. I mean, it's not the last day, it's the second day in Batam. We are gonna check out at 11:30 because we have to be at the lobby at 12. So you will have to call for a buggy because it takes about 15 minutes for the buggy to come if you have luggages and stuff like that. But if you're more like, chincai, you want to just carry your backpack and then just go walk down from wherever you are, then probably it's faster lah. But because for me, my room is actually nearer to the lobby area. So probably that's why if we want to walk, then it's easier lah. But for people who are staying very far away from the lobby, then probably getting a buggy will be better. So generally the stay here was a bit below than what I expected because I came here 3 years ago, right? And I had quite good impression of this place, that's why I came back. Yeah, but other than that, generally the place is nice because it's near like the sea and everything, so you have good view. The food here is just normal. The place here is normal, and then like in terms of cleanliness, I think it could have been better. Like there are like spots on like the pillow sheets, towels. I wasn't very prepared for that, like, to be very honest. So anyway, it's just a 2-day 1-night stay. It's more of like to get together with both sides of our parents. So I think it is okay. To be frank, they have pretty good service in the sense that the staff they were very nice. Like, they are very friendly, very nice. It's just that sometimes you might need to be a bit more patient with them. So if you're someone who likes like the nice view, the partying, there's like a pool, and then you can get like drinks and you can get like food at the poolside, so that's not too bad. And in the afternoon it's pretty nice lah, but it's just that when it reaches night time, then it's a bit not very brightly lit, so you do have to on your own torchlight, and then you have to make sure you know where you're going lah. Oh, please remember to bring mosquito repellent. There's a lot of mosquitoes here. Okay, so it's 11:07 now. We have about 23 minutes to pack and then ciao. Oh yes, he wanted me to add that some of the rooms weren't working very well. Like my parents' room, the aircon actually just like boom in the morning. Luckily it was in the morning. Then they didn't have aircon after that lah. Other than that, it was okay. So we booked this trip via the WTS. Overall, it has been a good get together, but probably next time we will go to the Nagoya one because there is more accessible to like more shopping areas and massage. The massage here, it felt like the whole 1 hour they were just like 跟你抓痒 that kind, help you to apply the oil, like moisturize your body. They didn't really press very hard. I told the masseuse to harder 3 times, harder until like I'm just like I give up. I'm like, okay, yeah, so probably they need to work on their skills. This time around we paid around like 40 for 1 hour of full body massage. Okay, it's been great company and it has been a great experience, and probably next time we come back we're going to try the Nagoya one. So anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.